So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download binkw32.dll. And now once we're on this, we're going to scroll down. You want to get the first one that comes up on the list, which is the latest one. And now you want to click on download. It's now going to start downloading in 5 seconds. And it should now be downloaded. If the download did not start, then you want to click right here, which will then start the download for you. Now once that's been downloaded, you want to right click on it and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with the binkw32 zip file. And now once we have this, you want to right click on it and then click on extract all. We can untick this box and then click on extract. We should now have this new folder. You want to double click on it. You want to find binkw32.dll. You want to right click on it and then click on copy. Make sure that you copy this DLL file. And now once you copy that, for the next step, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to select your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that and then click on Windows. Now we're going to scroll down until we find System32. We're going to scroll down until we find System32. Double click on it. You want to paste the DLL file into this folder. So you want to right click and then click on paste and then continue. It's now been pasted in this folder. For the next step, we're going to click on Windows. Now we're going to scroll down and then select sysfile64 and then do the same thing. You want to right click on the white space and then click on paste and then continue. You want to paste it into this folder as well. And now once you've pasted it into both System32 and sysfile64, for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. If not, then you want to uninstall your game that you're having a problem with and then reinstall it again.